Hello you lovely people, welcome back to our channel. My name is Kritika and today's video is going to be really interesting because in this video I'm going to share something that recently happened with me. So this is a dilemma that I feel all the developers, or should I say all the working professionals, they face this dilemma at some point in time in their life or like in their professional career. But before that, you know the drill. Like, subscribe, share, comment and drink a lot of water, and let's get to the video. Okay, so although I wasn't actively looking for a job, but recently I was exposed to an opportunity that was actually offering a higher pay and a better position. To give you a perspective, let's say that I'm making $100 per annum right now, and this position is a 35% bump in my current salary. So now I will make a whopping $135 per annum. So all in all, it was a great offer, the company was good and everything was fine, but I turned it down. Well, now you must be wondering,
what happened? Why did you turn this offer down? Everything sounds so good.
Now, before going on judgmental on me and thinking that I'm crazy and I'm doing something wrong here, wait until you hear my reasons. Okay, so the role that this company offered me was for a senior software engineer, which at the moment is not a good fit for me. Well, in my opinion, at any point in time in your career, if you find yourself in a role or if you're being offered a role that you're not a good fit for, don't think of it as a character flaw. Like in this case, I didn't feel I was ready to take up the responsibilities that a senior role would entail. Moreover, I wasn't fully comfortable with the technologies this company was using, and I don't think at this point in time it is the right move for me to start learning these technologies from scratch just because they were required by this particular position. Now, I know everyone wants to grow and move up and up in their career, but let me tell you something very interesting here, the Peter Principle. Now, Peter Principle is a concept in management that says that people in a hierarchy tend to rise to their level of incompetence. It observes that employees are promoted based on their success in their previous job until they reach a certain level at which they're no longer competent. And the reason behind all this is, as skills in one job do not necessarily translate to another. Okay, let me paint a picture here. Tiff is a great developer and she excels in her field. Now, since she is so great at her current job, she's now promoted to be a team lead. Well, congrats Tiff, but here's a petty problem. You see, leadership skill is not really Tiff's strong suit. She's not pretty comfortable with talking to people, delegating different tasks to different people, and helping people to accomplish their tasks, because all she is really best at is sitting at her desk and code complex algorithms. Now, do you see how being a team lead is not really a good fit for Tiff? Fit for Tiff. Wow, some really great wordplay here. Okay, but wait. Now, don't get me wrong. I also think that life's only interesting as long as it just keeps on throwing curveballs at you. So, I also won't recommend you taking up a job that suits you perfectly well, like a little too perfectly well. You know, to the extent that everything is a piece of cake for you. For instance, when you're like very well versed with all the tools and technologies mentioned in a job description, well, I can see how it can be a little bit tempting to some people, and it sure does feel a little cushy, and you'll be in your comfort zone and you will know everything that is there to know in order to do your job. But clearly you're overskilled for this job and you won't find anything challenging here, and one day you're gonna lose interest and the mundane and monotonous task will just lead you to boredom. So I guess what I'm really trying to say here is, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, show some love, share our videos, drink a lot of water. But like on a serious note, finding the right balance is the key. Now, if you're going to take one thing from this video, let it be this one. When you're looking for a job switch, don't just blindly go for a better position or a higher pay. Try to find roles that will keep your job interesting. And most importantly, also make sure that you're not overly underqualified for the job like I was in this case. Otherwise, you can easily fall prey to a common phenomena in the software world called the imposter syndrome, and you might want to make sure that you're not overqualified for the job, which will also lead you nowhere. So all in all, be honest and acknowledge when you don't fit the role, just like I did in this video. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know down in the comment section if you agree with my choice, if you think that I made the right decision, or if you have a different point of view. I'd love to hear it. And also please share your experience if you've already faced a similar situation before. I'm sure we all can learn a lot from each other's experiences. So thank you so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and comment, and bye until next time.